Bitcoin is crashing hard once again, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on with Bitcoin. And guys, this is your daily Bitcoin update. I did miss a couple of days recently, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I've just been insanely busy. I was traveling, doing a bunch of things. I was actually in Cancun in Mexico, but I'm back now with the daily videos. Now, we have had a very big dip in the market. We can see down 6% on the day. We actually had Bitcoin hit $80,000, almost hit 79. We didn't hit that just yet though, but even ETH, guys, ETH actually hit the 1,900 range, which is insane to think about. Right now, the markets are just looking very, very choppy. Let's take a look at what happened today. So first off, guys, Texas established the first U.S. government-managed Bitcoin reserve fund, creating a new precedent for state involvement in crypto. Now, the U.S. also holds 200,000 Bitcoins in a strategic Bitcoin reserve, influencing market stability and signaling institutional support for cryptocurrency post-crypto summit with Trump. Not only that, guys, we see Tim Draper praises U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve as transformative, comparing Bitcoin's impact on finance to Netflix subscription of Blockbuster. Now, the main thing that happened, guys, which was pretty crazy, was that the strategic reserve was actually signed, but the main problem was this wasn't with new Bitcoin. So we could see the reserve will be capitalized with Bitcoin owned by the federal government that was forfeited as part of criminal or civil asset forfeiture proceedings. This means it will not cost taxpayers a dime. Now, it is estimated that the U.S. owns about 200,000 Bitcoin. However, there has never been a complete audit. Now, the U.S. will not sell any Bitcoin deposited into the reserve. It will be kept as a store of value. The reserve is like a digital Fort Knox for the cryptocurrency often called digital gold. Now, the main issue with this, guys, was a lot of people were expecting the U.S. to create a reserve, which means, buy Bitcoin, right? People weren't really expecting the government to just use Bitcoin that they already have and just call it the reserve. So nothing new actually happened. Not only that, someone asked Trump about Bitcoin and what do you think about the phrase never sell Bitcoin, to which Trump said, I've heard that phrase a lot. I do not know what is gonna happen. Bitcoin could go up or down or whatever, and that pretty much crashed the markets as well. Now, Donald Trump has been president for what feels like a shit ton of time, but in reality, I think it's only been 2 months maybe, and this guy makes headlines every single day. It's like every single day there's something that he's saying about Bitcoin or about just something in the world that just causes price fluctuations in the markets. For example, I'm Canadian, and right now, literally as of today, we now have a new prime minister who literally said that they're going to be doing continuing the trade war with Trump. And I'm not going to lie, the liberal government in our country, again, whether you are liberal or conservative, the liberal government, they're full of retards and they do not understand economics and they are not strong leaders. This is just a known fact in Canada. In fact, Trudeau completely shit on our country and ruined our country for the past 10 years. And we could see the results, and everything happening right now is a byproduct of his reign. Now, moving forward, what I will say as well, guys, is I do think that we are going to see some more trade war rumors and probably some more crashes. Now, even Plan B was a little bit scared, who is obviously one of the biggest Bitcoin influencers out there, who's basically saying that, hey, this is either the start of the bear or a V-shaped recovery. It is really looking like this is going to be a V-shaped recovery until yesterday. And again, I do still think we're in a bull market, but you never know until Bitcoin decides to make some massive moves. Now, finally, before I end the video off, guys, I want to talk to you guys about the official Bitcoin meme coin. Now, I'm not going to talk too much about it in this video, but what I will say is I'll leave a link down below. It is a pre-sale project and it seems to be performing pretty well. Just going to leave this out there for those that want to go ahead and take a look. Now, guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.